Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a doctor's clinic. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a patient and the clinic staff. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What is white coat syndrome? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Erin, I don't feel very good today.
Oh no, what's wrong?
My throat hurts and I have a small cough.
You look tired too. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I woke up 2 times last night.
I think you should see a doctor.
Maybe. It's not too bad though.
It's better to check. Should I call and make an appointment first?
Yes, we can't just walk in here. The clinic is always busy.
Okay, I will call them now.
Thank you. Ask for a morning time, please.
Sure. Is 10 o'clock okay for you?
Yes, that works. I don't have any meetings then.
Speaking of meetings, how was your week at work?
Very busy. Actually, I feel dizzy sometimes before a big meeting.
Really? That doesn't sound good.
It's probably just stress. I'm fine most of the time.
We should tell the doctor about that too.
Okay. Let's not worry about it now.
All right, I'm calling the clinic now. Hello? I would like to make an appointment for my husband. Yes, 10 o'clock works great. Thank you very much.
That was fast.
They said 10 o'clock is open. Let's get ready.
Great. I will get my insurance card.
Good idea. Bring your ID card too, just in case.
Okay. I hope this isn't anything serious.
Don't worry. We will find out soon.
Thanks for coming with me today.
Of course, that's what I'm here for.
I feel a little nervous about going to a new clinic.
Don't worry. It's just a normal checkup.
I know, but I don't like doctor's offices very much.
Nobody really likes them, but they help us feel better.
That's true. Do you know how to get there?
Yes, it's near the train station. We can walk from here.
Good. It's not too far then.
Right. It should take about 15 minutes on foot.
Should we bring anything else with us?
Maybe some water and a list of your symptoms.
Good idea. I will write that down now.
Great. Write down the sore throat, the cough, and the dizziness.
Okay, I'm writing it all down.
Perfect. This will help the doctor understand everything quickly.
You always think of everything, Erin.
Well, someone has to.
Let's go now. I don't want to be late.
Agreed. Let's grab our coats and head out.
Hello, we have an appointment for 10 o'clock. The name is David.
Hi there. Let me check the computer. Yes, I see it here. Is this your first time at our clinic?
Yes, it is. My husband isn't feeling well.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can I have your insurance card, please?
Here's our insurance card.
Thank you. And can he fill out this form, please?
Sure, he can do that now.
Great. That will be a $20 copay today.
A copay? What is that exactly?
It's a small payment for the visit. Your insurance pays the rest.
Oh, I understand. We don't have this system in my country.
I see. In many clinics here, you pay this fee every time you visit.
That makes sense. Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we take cards and cash.
Okay, here is my card.
Thank you very much. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. How long will we wait?
Not too long, maybe 10 minutes.
Perfect. Should we sit over there?
Yes, please take a seat in the waiting room.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. A nurse will call your husband's name soon.
Sounds good. We will wait here.
Also, please turn off your phone in the waiting room.
Oh, sorry. I will do that now.
No problem at all. Have a nice day.
You too. Thanks again, Leo. One more question. Is there a restroom nearby?
Yes, it's right down that hallway on the left.
Thank you. Also, is there water anywhere?
Yes, there's a water machine next to the restroom.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
I will. This clinic feels very friendly.
We try our best. Most of our patients say the same thing.
That's nice to hear. It makes us feel more relaxed.
That's exactly what we want for our patients.
David was a little nervous about coming here.
That's normal. A lot of people feel that way at first.
I'm glad we chose this clinic.
We are happy to have you both here today.
Hi, David. My name is Grace. I'm a nurse here.
Hi, Grace. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Let's check your temperature first.
Okay. Where should I put this?
Just under your tongue, please. It'll take 1 minute.
All right.
Good. Your temperature is normal, 98.6 degrees.
That's good news.
Now, let's check your blood pressure. Please give me your arm.
Sure. Here you go.
This might feel a little tight. Just relax.
Okay. Is it normal to feel nervous?
Yes, very normal. Many people feel nervous here. Your blood pressure is a bit high today, 140/90.
Oh no. Is that bad? Do I have a health problem?
Don't worry too much. Lots of people get nervous at the clinic. We call it white coat syndrome. It happens because of stress here.
White coat syndrome. That's an interesting name.
Yes, doctors wear white coats, so people call it that. Your blood pressure often goes back to normal at home.
That makes me feel better.
Now let's check your weight, please.
Okay, one moment.
Good, thank you. Everything looks fine so far.
I'm glad to hear that.
The doctor will see you in a few minutes.
Thank you so much for your help, Grace.
You're welcome. Please wait in this room.
Okay, I will wait here.
Before I go, do you have any allergies?
No, I don't think so. I've never had any problems.
Good. And are you taking any other medicine right now?
No, nothing else. Just some vitamins in the morning.
Okay, that's good to know. I will write that in your file.
Thank you. Should I take off my jacket for the doctor?
Yes, please. That will make it easier for her to check you.
Okay, I will do that now.
Great. The doctor will be with you very soon.
Thank you again, Grace. You made me feel much calmer.
I'm happy to hear that. That's my job here.
You're really good at it.
Thank you, David. I hope you feel better soon. Hello, David. I'm Dr. Rosa. How are you feeling?
Hi, Dr. Rosa. My throat hurts, and I have a small cough.
I see. How many days have you felt this way?
About 3 days now.
Okay, let's take a look. Can you open your mouth, please?
Sure.
Your throat looks a little red. Now let's listen to your chest.
What's that tool called?
This is called a stethoscope. Let's listen to your breathing.
Okay.
Please take a deep breath. And again, please.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Your lungs sound clear, which is good.
That's a relief.
Now I have a few more questions. Have you been sleeping well?
Not really. I wake up a lot at night.
I see. And how has work been lately?
Very busy, actually. I have a big project this month.
Do you feel stressed about your job?
Yes, I guess I do. I feel dizzy sometimes before meetings.
That's important information. Thank you for telling me.
Is that connected to my throat and cough?
It might be. Stress can make your body feel worse. I think you have a mild cold and some stress, too.
Oh, I didn't think about the stress part.
It happens often. Your body needs rest, not just medicine.
I understand.
I will write a prescription for you. Please take it easy this week.
Okay, I will try. Thank you, Dr. Rosa.
You're welcome. Please pick up your medicine at the pharmacy.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
One more thing. Try to drink more water every day.
Okay, I will do that.
And try to go for a short walk after work if you can.
That sounds nice, actually.
Walking can help lower your stress. Also, come back if the cough doesn't get better in 1 week.
Understood. Thank you for explaining everything so clearly.
You're welcome. Your wife is waiting outside, right?
Yes, she's in the waiting room.
Good. She can help you pick up the medicine now.
Perfect. Thank you again, Dr. Rosa.
Take care of yourself, David. Rest is important too.
Hello, we have a prescription for David.
Hi there. Let me look at that for you.
Here you go.
Great. This will take about 10 minutes.
No problem, we can wait.
While you wait, do you have any questions about medicine?
Actually, yes. Can we ask about a cold medicine too?
Of course. You don't need an appointment for that here.
Really? That's helpful.
Yes. Feel free to ask me anytime. No appointment needed.
That's very different from where we come from.
I see. Here, pharmacists can answer many small questions.
Good to know.
Okay. Here is your medicine. Let me explain how to take it.
Please go ahead.
Take 1 tablet twice a day after meals.
Once in the morning and once at night?
Yes, exactly. Also, drink plenty of water with it.
Got it. Are there any side effects?
Some people feel a little sleepy. That's normal.
Okay, I will tell him to be careful.
Good idea. Also, please finish all the medicine.
Even if he feels better sooner?
Yes, please finish it so it works well for him.
I understand. Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. Here is a small bag for you.
Perfect. How much do we owe you?
It's already covered by your insurance today.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much, Chris.
You're welcome. I hope David feels better soon.
One more question. Can he take this with coffee?
It's better to take it with water, not coffee.
Okay, I will remember that.
Also, please store the medicine in a cool, dry place.
Not in the refrigerator?
No, just a normal shelf is fine, away from sunlight.
Got it. Thank you for the clear instructions.
Of course. Do you have any other questions for me?
Actually, is there anything good for a sore throat too?
Yes, warm tea with honey can really help.
That's a great idea. I will make some for him tonight.
That sounds perfect. I hope he feels better very soon.
Thank you so much, Chris. You've been very helpful.
You're very welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
Okay, here is your medicine. Take one now after lunch.
Thanks. I already feel a little better.
That's good to hear.
The doctor said it's a mild cold.
Right, but she also said something about stress, didn't she?
Yes, she asked about my sleep and my work.
See, I told you that you work too much.
Okay, you were right.
I always tell you to relax more before big meetings.
I know. I guess my body was trying to tell me something too.
Exactly. Rest and drink lots of water, the doctor said.
I will. I promise to take it easy this week.
Good. No late nights at the office, okay?
Okay, I promise. I will go to bed earlier too.
And maybe take a short walk every day for your stress.
That sounds nice, actually. Want to walk with me?
Of course I do.
Thanks for taking care of me today, Erin.
That's what family does.
Do you remember what the nurse called it, the blood pressure thing?
Yes, white coat syndrome, because you get nervous at the clinic.
Right. I felt so nervous and my numbers went up fast.
You always get nervous at doctor's offices.
Well, now I know why. It's very common, actually.
True. Next time you can relax a little more.
I will try. Today was a good lesson for me.
For both of us. Now rest and let your body get better.
Okay. Thank you for everything today.
Anytime. I'm glad we went to the clinic together.
The doctor also told me to drink more water every day.
I heard that too. I will make you some tea with honey.
That sounds really nice right now.
I'm making it for your throat and for your stress too.
1 cup of tea can't fix everything.
Maybe not, but it's a good start.
True. And I promised to go for walks after work.
I like that plan. We can even walk together sometimes.
I would really like that.
Good. From now on, let's take better care of you.
Deal. Thank you for pushing me to see the doctor today.
That's what I'm here for. Now go rest on the sofa.
Okay, I'm going.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is white coat syndrome? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.